$24 million. That's what a security guard demanded from Cardi B, just because he claimed she scratched and spit on him in a Beverly Hills clinic. Instead of getting stressed, Cardi turned the courtroom into a global stage, from her confident appearances to answers that became memes, and even releasing a courtroom edition for her album Am I the Drama. Sounds like a joke? But in the US, suing celebrities for money is very much a real industry.
In America, lawsuits aren't just about right or wrong. They're a game of leverage. Celebrities are perfect targets. They have money, they need to protect their image, and the longer a case drags on, the more pressure there is to settle. An ordinary person, if they file a lawsuit at the right time, can turn it into an opportunity to pocket hundreds of thousands, even millions, without ever going to a full trial. But how did this become a real money-making tool? There are three main reasons. First, the jackpot psychology. Winning against a star can change your life overnight. Second, settlement pressure. Many celebrities choose to pay just to stop a scandal rather than risk media digging deeper. Even weak lawsuits, when threatened with publicity, can push them to negotiate. Third, lawyers on contingency. Many US lawyers take cases on a percentage basis. You don't pay up front, and they only take a cut if you win or settle. This turns suing celebrities into a near risk-free gamble for plaintiffs. And in reality, high-profile cases have proven this over and over. Cardi B just got out of a $24 million lawsuit. But this wasn't her first legal battle. In 2019, a YouTuber spread false rumors about her. Cardi fought back and won. The YouTuber had to pay over $1 million. Kim Kardashian was once sued by a small company claiming her brand stole their idea. The case went nowhere, but the company made headlines worldwide, and Kim had to pay $5 million to settle. Proof that suing celebrities can be highly profitable. Madonna was sued by fans over her celebration tour being too risque. They didn't get money, but the media coverage made them famous. Taylor Swift faced a long lawsuit over Shake It Off, accused of copying lyrics from an older song. She won, but the plaintiffs still got media attention and negotiation opportunities. These examples show that sometimes, just being involved in a celebrity lawsuit can become a springboard for fame and financial gain. But behind the money, there's another motivation: power. When an ordinary person takes an A-list star to court, the tables flip. For a brief moment, the underdog holds the control. In a society obsessed with fame, that feeling can be addictive. Even if you lose, just being mentioned alongside a celebrity, for many, that alone is a reward. So, next time you see a celebrity stepping into a courtroom, remember, sometimes it's not about justice. It's just another way to chase money and spotlight. The question is, if you had the chance, would you dare to sue a celebrity?